CryptoStrang here. Today you can talk about Bitpanda. Last couple of weeks they've introduced Bitpanda UK. Now, I've been using Bitpanda for well over 6 years now. I'm going to show you some old videos I did. Now, it's been fine, but literally in the last sort of 12, 18 months there have been restrictions since the FCA brought out some really stringent regulations here in the UK. Bitpanda allowed existing account holders to continue. However, they wouldn't let anyone new from the UK join. However, they've now become FCA compliant. You have to fill out, basically you have to do this questionnaire and you have to go through to understand when you're investing in crypto and all the risks, etc. But they've now actually got their own UK part of their site, which is good to see. You also see on the screen they've recently done a crypto trading partner with Arsenal Football Club, Premier League team here in the UK. So they're going to making huge strides with their partnerships, their announcements, and basically just advertising and getting a lot of visibility. Now you can see here the different parts of Bitpanda. You can invest in all the different cryptocurrencies here, the crypto indices there, the features, the Bitpanda limit orders, the staking, the learn, everything I want to learn about crypto. Just makes them the hubs here to understand it. You've got the business side of it, our API for your business, and talk about the company itself. Okay, and that's really good. They've got a great help section. The customer support is absolutely fantastic. So, as I say, there is no referral link. Unfortunately, in the UK with the FCA regulations, a lot of exchanges don't offer referral links anymore. I've done really well with Bitpanda before. People used to sign up using my link. I've really done well. You see on the previous videos I show you, the first video I did, would you believe, was 2019. Who would have believed that 6 years ago I'd done this video on Bitpanda? Look at that, 6 years ago, absolutely crazy. At the time, I used to have a referral link, and basically I used to get like 10 euros. Okay, and every person who signed up using me also got 10 euros. I've done really well with the referral links. I do appreciate everyone who supported the channel. But moving forward, Bitpanda I've used for all this time with no issues whatsoever. Customer support is absolutely fantastic. However, I've never had any issues. I've really used this site for so long, buying, selling, and they make it extremely easy. Out of all the exchanges we cover, this is one where, a bit like Coinbase, you can basically deposit using your debit, credit card if you actually find a credit card that works. Here in the UK, most have been blocked. I used to have a Marks and Spencer's credit card just solely for buying crypto, and even that's been blocked. I literally think there's hardly any credit cards left. However, there's many other ways. Obviously, you bank transfer, debit cards, etc. So you can get on there. I've used it all this time, but also when you want to take profits, then send it to my bank, okay? And obviously you can do reports as well on the dashboard to show all your transactions when you're doing your tax return, for example. So you can see here, 2019, a Bitpanda review. Now, I've done many others, and this was another one I've done 4 years ago. Nearly 9,000 views, absolutely incredible. Done that, say, 4 years ago. I've used it ever since. It really was great news when they've sort of appeased the wonderful FCA in this country, and now anyone in the UK can actually sign up, okay? So when you do sign up, I do have a link below. It's not a referral link, like that, just so what we use. Now, I've got the UK Bitpanda web address, but also if you just join bitpanda.com, it automatically defaults you to the UK site, recognizing the IP address, for example. Okay, so when you go back to their site, you can see we're in crypto, then Bitpanda. 7 million customers and trade 600 plus cryptocurrencies, the UK's largest selection. Okay, big statement. Invest your way. Explore exciting features, staking, saving plans, limit orders, and more. Safe security. Now, security is obviously very paramount to any exchange, especially the issues we've had over the years with the hacks, the exchanges collapsing. Safety is the core Bitpanda's identity. With cutting-edge technology and a commitment to transparency, we give you peace of mind to invest in confidence. All your crypto assets, all on Bitpanda. You can see it's like an all-in-one package when the fact you can deposit in fiat, buy your crypto, but also withdraw and sell your crypto to get your fiat back. And I say when I do the deposits, it's very quick, but also when you do the draws, it's very quick. From literally initiating a withdrawal, it's literally in my account within 5 minutes. Okay, regardless of the time of day, whatever. Okay, so that's really good. You can't moan about that, you really can. So again, I do like Bitpanda. I say I've been using this exchange for so long, I've never had any issues whatsoever. I say you've got a community page here, but also the help section is really good. So actually, once you're on webuk.bitpanda.com, you can scroll down and see all the stuff you've got here, okay? See your activities and everything you do. Now, when it comes to deposit, very easy, I say. Now, obviously, you've got the cryptocurrency you can deposit, and also your fiat, which again is extremely important. You can see all the different currencies allowed here, okay? So naturally, obviously, I do British pound sterling. You can see all the different ways. You've got your PayPal, you've got your online transfer instant, you've got your cards, like I say, mainly debit cards now. You've got your Visa, you've got your bank transfer. Me personally, I use a bank transfer. I hit that, and then basically you make it extremely easy. And you set what you want to do. You go to summary, and then you literally link your account, it sends you a QR code and it automatically defaults to the Barclays, which I use over here. It's very, very easy, it truly is. So I can even show you here quickly. So I want to do 500, okay? Again, so easy. And this is what I like about it. Got there, I hereby confirm that the bank account is my name. I'm acting on my own behalf. That's obviously for money laundering type things. They've got to announce that. You just basically hit confirm, okay? Please remember to deposit from a bank account in your name, so continue. Okay, now you can see here, this is make a deposit for your bank account. You can do it this way, okay? Do it there, Bitpanda Broker UK account, and just send it. You've got your reference number there, okay? So you just send it that way. Okay, so there's so many different parts to it. Or you can literally hit the bank transfer link and you get your QR code for Barclays, for example, and it will take you to Barclays because that's where you deposit and you selected Barclays. Okay, so there's so many different ways to do it. It's absolutely incredible. And that's what I like. I like the fact, I think all exchanges need to offer this. You know, the fact they don't, I think it's actually quite sad, really. But say if you want to do your debit card, for example, okay, there's so many different ways to do it. Now, as I say, anyone help us use, just email me, info@cryptostrang.com, all my social media links below. It's so easy to deposit. It's absolutely incredible. And I say, I've been doing this for so many years. It's absolutely crazy. So again, you can do it this way. And you continue. You give me, basically, I put sort of my bank details in, read from my Barclays, and it'll take me straight there. So absolutely fantastic. No problems whatsoever. Also do is start investing as a savings plan. I don't do it yet. Something I'm looking into. Obviously, there's many different parts. Do it, make your crypto work for you. I always say, well, I tend to do more staking that. You've got all the stuff here. See reports and statements down there? Again, makes it very, very easy. Okay, now, when you go staking, again, with the staking, I haven't done it yet. Okay, now, that's something that I'm really looking into because APIs are really going up a hell of a lot. Now, you can see here the projects. Now, I look at Instant, I look at Celestia, 9.29%. Okay, this is something, again, it's on my list to do. You see Flow, spoke about before. Polkadot, 8.2% is good. Okay, many different projects. You can see them on it. And Ronin, we mentioned, 7%. Near Protocol. So again, I need to look into this because some of these rewards are absolutely fantastic and better on getting elsewhere. Okay, so again, next when I buy some of these projects, naturally I'm going to stake on here. So again, the fact staking something, I think it was last year they started staking, might have been slightly before that. But it's a fairly new feature for them. I'll say the rules are actually getting very, very good and make your crypto work for you. There's no point just sat there doing nothing. Okay, so again, that's really good. So just want to highlight what they're doing and make it so easy now with crypto, fiat, crypto, fiat, to make it so damn easy, really. And I say the amount of projects they now list on Bitpanda, it really has become an absolute fantastic site. It truly is. So again, I have no affiliation with Bitpanda, I suppose the team or anything like that. Just merely me giving an update. You look at the previous videos I've done about Bitpanda, you can see I've been used for a long time. So thanks very much. Obviously, don't hesitate to reach out, help any way I can. Come join us at Telegram group, Facebook group, all the links below. And help us use, don't hesitate to reach out, help any way we can. So thanks very much. Wishing you a wonderful week ahead. Exciting times in crypto. Bitcoin slightly dropped the dominance. Ethereum, new all-time high. We follow the normal trajectory, then respecting an altcoin bull market. But obviously, the way the market's been, there is certainly no guarantees. Only time will tell. However, truly exciting times ahead. So thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.